Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about how long can we run a thermocouple wire?
Have you ever wondered how long can we run thermocouple wire from temperature indicator to sensor location? Let's find out. Whether it's a thermocouple or an RTD, they are installed at a long distance away from the temperature meter or controller. So signal loss can happen due to resistance and this can impact on accuracy of your application. First, let's look at the resistance part. When using a thermocouple, as a general rule, the total resistance of the sensor and the wire from the sensor to the indicator should never exceed 100 ohms. With that, let's say we have a thermocouple K-type connected to the temperature controller with a 500-foot run of 12 gauge wire. If we refer to the resistance versus wire diameter table, we can see that a type K thermocouple has a resistance factor of 0.091 ohms. So if we multiply the length of our run 500 feet times the resistance factor of 0.091, we get 45.5 ohms, which put us well below the 100 ohms maximum total resistance. So we can say that up to 500 feet we can use extension cable that will work fine.